Monday motivation. Today's card is significance. You are amazing. Like the self-worth card, there's only one you. You are significant. You mean the world to. You're here for a reason. So you need to figure out your purpose. If you don't know what your purpose is, you have a purpose. You have something some burning desire, what you want to do. Think back to, what did you want to be when you grew up? It's never too late. Ever, ever, ever too late to get started. My great aunt started college with her daughter at the age of 40. My great aunt, my grandmother's sister, she started when she was 40, just started college with her daughter at 40 years old. And she got her bachelor's, she got her master's, and she went into teaching and writing poetry and went from a housewife to doing what she loves. So it's never too late. You be you. You're amazing. You're put on this earth for a reason. So figure out what that reason is. You can do it. So I believe in you. Your animals will believe in you. So subscribe to my YouTube, Sherry A. Marquez, and I'll see you later. Do it. Don't waste another day.